Monica-MoFitMeals. Okay, do you ever find yourself in a bind and all of a sudden your house is starving? You have to like do it now. They're gonna go crazy and then I go crazy and then we're a mess. So I have a solution. Super easy, super quick, high in protein. So let me show you what I got, and then you try it at home and then you'll look like you're a master and you have put something dazzling together and it was so quick. Okay, let's do it. Today we are going to make mini Barbacoa beef burritos. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. You're gonna need a pan with a lid, Del Real Foods Barbacoa seasoned beef and sauce. The nutrition is amazing. It has 110 calories for 5 ounces. It's low in fat, so it's only 3 grams. The carbohydrates are only 3, and the protein is 22. So I got this at Staters. I've seen it at Sam's. I'm not sure about Costco. I honestly think this is, godsend. Next, you'll need Ole Mexican Foods X-Treme Wellness High Fiber Tortillas. These are awesome. They taste great by themselves. I nibble on them quite a bit. It only has 50 calories for a tortilla, 1.5 grams of fat, 15 carbs, but the fiber is 11, so it's only 4 net carbs for each one. And then there's 5 grams of protein. So now we're adding more protein, okay? So I got these at Walmart, and I go back, and I really cannot handle it. I get like a lot of them. You can use almond mozzarella style shreds. You can use any cheese you like, of course. I just like using this for our house. Ham spray, because we're gonna put these in the pan. I don't want it to stick. I kind of want to add some crunch to my tortilla and make it look like it's a little burrito. So what's really nice is this barbacoa beef, it actually lets me microwave, so I don't even have to use an extra pan. Now just so you know, this brand makes shredded chicken, shredded pork, carnitas. I like the shredded chicken too, but this is actually great for those red meat days. And I'm gonna put this in the microwave, nuke it up for a few minutes, or as the instructions say, and then I'm gonna wrap it up in a little burrito and then put them on the pan and show you. So I'm putting this in the microwave now, just for a few minutes. You guys can portion out how much you need. But once it's microwaved, I have it at least a little bit warm so that when I put it in as my filling, it's already warm and I don't have to worry about heating up everything else. Okay, so I heat this up. It has its own little microwave tray too, which is nice and convenient for you, because once you're done, you just toss it and you don't have to worry about it. So I have my little portable thing set up for you, just because I can't really move my video camera back there, but at least something for you to see and hopefully get this going down. I use wax paper to line my counter so that I don't have much of a mess. Got 2 tortillas, so this is a single serving. Get some of my barbacoa beef. It's nice and shredded, really juicy. I'm gonna put this in the middle of each one. Just make this meaty because we want to make this high protein. So we're gonna make this meaty, like so. Yes, my shreds. Like so. I don't know, figure about 2 tablespoons in each one. I'll tally up all the nutrition for you on the bottom of my feed. With some ham. Non-stick cooking spray. I'm gonna roll up one of these guys. Quesadilla, half moon. Like so, just like that. Then what I'm gonna do is kind of start spraying the tortilla with my non-stick spray. Okay, so it'll start giving some crunchy edge. Put that down. You see it okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna do the other one. Fold it over like a half moon, the quesadilla. Spread it out like so. Lie down the ham spray bottom first. Nice and juicy, okay? Now I'm gonna keep my spray handy because I'm gonna use this quite a bit. You don't have to use Pam, you can use coconut oil spray, you can use avocado spray. The idea is to use a non-sticking spray so that it keeps your calories low. You can add olive oil, you can add coconut oil, you can add avocado oil if you're on keto and you need the fat. But for me, I'm gonna stick with the Pam so that I can add fat with avocados. I'd rather eat my fat than just use oils, unless it's fragrant, like an olive oil, and you can actually taste it when you drizzle that at the end. So far, half moons. Nice and easy. Okay, so I'm gonna let that cool a little bit more, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the other side now with some more Pam. I'm doing this because I wanna give it some crunch texture here, and I'm gonna flip just like so. Just like so. Okay, so they're getting really good here. Nice and crunchy. I like that. And then I'm gonna flip again, but look what I'm doing this time. I'm gonna get it, and I'm gonna fold it like a half. You see that? Fold it like a half. So now it's like almost like a little burrito. I'm gonna roll it over this time. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other one. This time fold the end, like so. Can you see that? And I'm gonna do a little bit more Pam. Gotta work with it, and I'm gonna roll it over like so, and all of a sudden, a little crunchy burrito. Now I'm gonna put my lid on this just to make sure that everything kind of gets melted inside, and I'll heat it up just for a few minutes. It doesn't hurt to do that, because then you're gonna make sure that all that cheese is melted inside, and everything's just kind of, marrying together as far as the flavors. So I'll do this for a few minutes. It's smelling really good in here. Okay, one more flip. Flip. And flip. Check it out. So you see all this crispy edge here? That's all flavor. So I'm sort of, kind of moving my burritos around just so they can soak up that extra flavor. It's the juices from the Barbacoa beef. And that just gives it some more love, okay? Man, it smells good. Okay, so the cheese is all melted. The tortillas are crispy. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna serve these up on the dish now. Carefully, I'm gonna put the fold side down. You see that crispy edge there? And then fold the other side down. Crispy edge. Now, you really can't go wrong how you top these guys off. I mean, just like this, you'll be a happy camper. But what I like to do is, I found this at Target. It's called corn and black bean salsa. It's 15 calories for like 2 tablespoons. So I really devour a lot of this. So good. So I'm gonna put this on. I have an avocado that I'm going to dice up. I have some cilantro and some daisy sour cream to give it that creaminess. And then we're gonna finish it up. And here it is, my mini barbacoa beef burritos. I hope you guys give this a try. I hope you like it. I hope you find it delicious. And please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, stay Mo Fit.